Welcome back. It's been 15 minutes since we cut these bananas, and you can already see we've got 1/4 inch of growth. Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, it's been 7 days. You can see this is the last plant that we showed you that we cut, and it's already up about a foot. These are the sabas, of course. Nothing really growing on the bigger banana plants, although that one's starting to push out a little bit, as you can see. As well as this rotten one has pushed out almost a foot of growth. A little bit of slime being pushed out. What it will do at first is it will push out any old or dead material before the live material starts to come out, and that of course will be green. And we had at least 3 days of the 80s last week, and these are the Rajapuris. They are pushing up a little bit as well. Not too much from the gold fingers, although I take that back. There's a little bit of old material pushing up out of this one. On down the line here, nothing going on with the dwarf Cavendish. Even the border lawns, nothing's going on with them. Anyway, we'll move on. And these, of course, are the Orinoco's. Not much going on with them. But the bell banana has got some growth, as well as some of these Orinoco's down here. These are technically dwarf Orinoco's. You've got a growth right there and another maybe 14 inches right here. And then these bell bananas that we cut last week, just 7 days ago, are really starting to go. At least some of them are. Anyway, that's going to do it for this week. We will give you a 14-day update next Sunday afternoon. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And happy growing wherever it's going to be where you are.